famous a famous problem by I'm waiting for an answer. Hey, we didn't write the formula today. I forgot. Shall we write the formula today or shall we write them tomorrow?
Tan x equals 1, sir. N pi plus pi by 4.
N pi plus pi.
Sir, n pi plus pi by 4 is the general solution.
Answer man.
N pi plus pi by 4.
Plus pi by 4.
In what form is this?
Tan A minus
Tan
B.
A minus B.
Since tan A minus tan B by tan of implies one is what man?
Tan of pi by 4.
So what is your x?
N pi plus pi by 4.
What's the formula I'm using?
Tan A
Tan theta equal to tan
Tan
alpha, where alpha should belong to where?
minus
Pi by 2 to pi by
by
2.
2.
What is theta?
N pi plus
N pi plus alpha. Please, all these formulae which I am writing, please copy them again. It will be a practice, you will remember them. But chalo, there is a mistake, can you identify? But chalo, there is a mistake, can you identify?
So 2n plus 1 5 by 4. Anything like that, sir?
No, there is a mistake, there is a mistake, can you identify? There is a mistake, can you identify? Shall I tell the secret?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Z is equal to 0. What is x man?
Pi by
5 by
4.
4.
5 by 4. What is tan 2x? Where does it goes to? Numerator you have tan 2x. Denominator you have tan 2x. That is what is happening. Infinity by infinity you are writing 1. Which is it possible?
No, not possible.
Hence, does the equation has any solution? No, no solution.
Sir, can you please explain once again, sir? I got disconnected.
Every time you get disconnected and every time you say, I got disconnected, get your connection correctly, man. Is it Abrar?
Yes, sir.
Put x is equal to 0. It will be pi by 4. Here you have tan 2x. 2 into pi by 4. Pi by 2. Infinity. How you are getting 1? You are making infinity by infinity 1. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Hence, does it have any solution?
No solution.
Similarly, look here. Here also, remember, I told this earlier, for x greater than 0, where will x plus 1 by x belongs to? For x less than 0, where will number and its reciprocal belong to? Minus infinity, minus 2. Now give me answer for this. Is e power x positive or negative?
Positive.
E power x is always positive. In what form is this? E power x plus 1 by e power x. So this is always, that is sin theta. Sin theta.
1.
Where is left hand side? Left hand side का घर कहाँ पे है? Left hand
-1.
side का घर कहाँ पे है? -1 to 1. Can something equal to -1 to 1 be greater than or equal to 2?
No,
No. Hence, how many solutions?
no solutions.
No solution. A similar thing, I spoke about this earlier. Remember it? क्या था वो?
No, zero solutions.
Your name?
Ishaq.
Why zero solutions?
Because 5 sin x minus 12 cos x will not have 17 in its range.
-13 to 13.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up, man. Keep it up, man. Super. चलो चलो. Trigonometry में कभी भी देखते रहना ये. You should keep an eye. You should keep an eye on this. Remember, where will a sin x plus b cos x का घर कहाँ पर है? घर कहाँ पे है? होए, होए, होए. Therefore, where will 5 sin x minus 12 cos x belongs to? Minus 30 into 13. And what about right hand side? Does 17 belong to this interval? No, since 17 does not belong to, no solution. I'm waiting for an answer.
Zero.
No man.
No solutions.
Hello. How do you write tan x?
No solutions.
Sin x by cos x.
How do you write tan x, man? Secant x.
By cos solution.
Hello. When is this equation alive? Wait, I'll write this way only then. Sin x by cos x. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. When is a by b defined?
B not equal to 0.
When? So when is this defined?
Cos
Condition.
x should not
Cos
be
x not equal to 0.
In this interval where all cos x is 0,
pi by 2, 3 pi by
Pi
pi
by
by
2.
2 and 3 pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0, cos 270 is 0. For all odd multiples of pi by 2, for all odd multiples of pi by 2, cos is 0. In this interval where all cos x is 0 for pi by 2 and 3
3 pi
pi
by
by
2.
2, cos x not equal to 0. That is, what should I put? Now आगे बढ़ो. LCM, numerator, right hand side, cross multiply. What do you get? Cos square x.
1 minus
Minus 9
sin
square x.
1 plus sin x is equal to 2 into. Can you cancel off 1 plus sin x? Don't do that. Don't do that. What I can take common? 2 into 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x minus of 1 plus sin x is equal to 0. What can you take common, man?
1 plus
Sin
sin.
x.
What remains?
2 into
2
1 minus
into
sin x
1
minus 1.
minus sin x.
Minus 1.
Can 1 plus sin x be 0? No. When is sin x minus 1?
3 pi by 2.
But x not equal to 3 pi by 2. So this won't be a solution. Check the other one. Give me the answer now.
Minus 5 by 6.
What will I get, man? 2 into 1 minus sin x is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 sin x is equal to 1. 2 sin x is equal to 1. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. When is sin x 1 by 2? You are in 4 quadrants. First quadrant sin x positive. Second quadrant sin x positive. Hello. When is sin x 1 by 2? Sin 30 and sin 180 minus 30. What is sin 180 minus theta? Sin 180 minus theta.
5 by
Sin
6.
theta. So what is your x is equal to? Pi by 6.
6 and sin 5 by 6.
Pi by 6. कितने solutions are? 2 solutions. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling the most important, one of the most important ideas of trigonometry equations. All of you, I request, pay attention. Look at the board. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes, sir.
pay attention? Look here. Pay attention, all of you. Look here. Trigonometry में condition 1. After getting solution, you should check whether solution satisfies the equation or not. Another important condition, don't ever square unless until it is life threatening, unless until there is no other option, unless until there is no other method, unless until there is no other go. Don't ever square. I'll tell you what happens if you square. Look at this one. Squaring on both sides. बच्चे लोग, what is left hand side?
Sin square 1 plus 2 sin x cos x.
1 plus 2 sin x cos x.
Cos square x. Can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next step. 1 plus, what is this 2 sin x cos x?
Sin square
What will cancel off?
1.
1 will cancel off. What will I get? 0 is sin 0. What's the formula? Sin A is equal to sin B. B के ऊपर condition. Principal domain. What is A is equal to? N pi.
Pi minus plus of minus 1 power n.
I am applying the formula. What will I get, man? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n. What is your B? 0. So 2x is equal to what? X is equal to what?
n pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Huh? N pi by 2. This will be there in option A. I am writing options here. Student will mark this as the answer. But this will be wrong. You know why? Put n is equal to 0. What is x man?
0.
0. Will it satisfy? Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1.
Yes.
Put n equal to 1. What will you get x equal to?
Pi by 2.
Sin 91, cos 90, 0. Will it satisfy?
Yes.
अब से आएगा मजा, अब से आएगा मजा, अब से आएगा मजा. Put n equal to 2. What is
2
x?
pi.
Pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1. Does it happen?
Mm,
All of you understand this point. Understand this point. N is equal to 2. What is your x? Pi. Put a pi. Sin pi 0. Cos pi minus 1. Right hand side 1. Is it possible? Not possible. So is this x is equal to n pi by 2 correct? No. Is the method correct? Yes. But it is not applicable here. Got the message? Got the message? That's the
Yes.
reason why don't ever square unless until it is at most required. कोई चारा नहीं है, कोई मेथड नहीं है, जान पे आ गया, you are going to lose your life, then only you square. Till then, avoid squaring. Avoid. Then you should ask me, sir, what is the method through which you solve this problem? Now I'll tell you. I request whole class, please look at your screens. Do not do any other work. Do not copy. Don't blink your eye. I'll fill these gaps also. Wait. To solve a sin x plus b cos x is equal to c divided by root of a square plus b square throughout. What is your root of a square plus b square here?
Root 2.
Here, what is root of a square plus b
Root of 1
square?
square plus 1 square.
Under root of 1 square plus 1 square. Root 2. What's the left hand side? Sin x into 1 by root 2. Cos x into 1 by
1 by
root
root
2.
2.
1 into 1 by root 2. Again, trouble starts. Again, trouble starts. You can express the answer in two forms. Can you give me answer in two forms, bachalo?
Sin x sin pi by 4.
This is sin of expand this sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin of a plus b, sin a cos b 1 by root 2 cos a sin b. Does it matches? Does it fits in? Does it fits in? Answer is yes. Can you tell me one more matching? Can you tell me one more matching? One more matching. I am telling cos of so look, what is cos of a minus b? What is cos of a minus b?
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos of
X minus pi by 4. Minus pi.
now what is 1 by root 2?
Sin pi by
What is 1 by root 2?
cos
pi by
pi.
What's the general solution? First method.
x pi by 4 equal
Plus pi by 4 equal to bolo ji.
N pi
pi plus of minus
minus
1
1 whole
power
power n
power
pi by 4
What is x? N
4
pi.
n
plus right.
Am I correct? Option B. N pi. What is this? X
2n
minus pi by 4 equal to cos A equal to cos B. General solution.
2n
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 pi
pi plus or
1 pi
minus
plus or minus
5 by 4.
minus
5 by 4.
So what is x?
2n
2k.
pi 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4.
2n pi plus or minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Option D, none. Is option A correct? No. Option B correct? Yes. Option C correct? Yes. Now, student will come up to me and say, sir, these are two different answers. How can one problem have two answers? It is not correct. Both these answers are same. How do you check that? How do you check that? Pay
Value
attention.
of n.
Pay attention. Pay attention. Put n is equal to 0. What will you
Minus
get n
5 by
equal
2. Minus 5 by 2.
to? Hey, what you will get, man?
0.
This
0.
is 0. This is 1. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4. What you are getting?
0.
Put n equal to 0 here. What you are getting? Tell me, man.
0
Pi
and
2 by 2 or 0.
Ah, you are getting pi by 2 or 0. No, you should not be scared. Either एक ही answer आया. Here I am getting two answers. But so these two answers are different. Answer is no. This pi by 2 you will get here also. Just wait. Be patient. Next, what you should put? N equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. What will I get? What will I get? Pi. What is minus 1 whole power 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 1. Minus 1.
1.
Minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. Minus pi
Minus
by
5 by
2.
2.
Pi minus pi by 2.
5 by 2.
तो pi by 2 आ गया इधर.
Yes.
And so on. Therefore, are both the answers correct?
Yes.
Method 1, method 2, method 3. This you should not use. Method 2, method 3, both are correct. Any doubts, any questions? I am there here to explain once again. If you have any doubts anywhere, copy this first, then we will revise once again. Come on. gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you one more problem, same type. Will you solve it? Chalo.
Yes,
It will
sir.
be a practice. 2 problems I will give.
Yes,
You
sir.
should do on your own. Same method, numbers change. That's it. Generally, always use cos. Generally, always use cos so that you will not get that -1 whole power n.
Sir, x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 6 plus or minus pi by 3.
Hello. What you should divide by?
2
2.
cos A
Divide
cos B
by
minus sin A sin B.
root of root 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square. What is this, man? Root 4, 2. What will I get? Cos x into sin x into. What you will write? Cos x, cos 30, sin x.
I 30.
Oh, there is no root 2, no? Sin x, sin 30. What is this, man?
Cos A
Cos of x minus, sorry, x plus pi by 6, right hand side. Cos, is it 60?
yes.
X plus pi by 6 is equal to 2n pi plus or minus. What is x equal to? 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Hello, there is no rule that you should use only cos. If you want, you can use sin also, you'll get same answer. Next.
Two n pi plus or minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6.
Can I?
1 minute, sir.
Got, sir.
The 2 and 5 plus or minus pi by 4 minus pi by 6.
Divide throughout by क्या number?
2n pi plus or minus
बच्चे लोग divide throughout by what number?
2, sir.
Divide by under root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square. What will I get? Sin x into 1 by 2. I'll write in terms of cos. Cos x into cos 30. Sin x into sin 30. What's the left hand side, man? X plus or x minus? Am I correct? So x minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi. So x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Correct? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Is this method clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Should I?
sir, 3.
Should I? Look here. What is A? Where will A sin x plus B cos x belongs to?
6.
So, where will 7 cos x plus 5 sin x belongs to? Tell me, man.
Minus root 60 to root 60.
बच्चों लोग बोलो आंसर इसका.
Sir, 6.
बच्चों लोग इसका आंसर बोलो.
Minus
बच्चों लोग इसका आंसर बोलो.
Minus root 60 to root
9 plus 25, how much, man?
64.
49 plus 25, how much, man?
74.
24.
74.
Minus root 74 to root 74. But what is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x? 7 cos x plus 5 sin x, 2k plus 1. So 2k plus 1 belongs to. Is this clear so far?
Yes, sir.
64 is 8. 74 is 8.4 डाल देंगे. So 2k plus 1 belongs to minus 8.42 plus 8.4. बच्चे लोग अभी सॉल्व करेंगे. Give me the answer now. In the meanwhile, I'll write one more.
8.6 we can take.
Approximately, man.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 7 integral value.
अब बोलो. Where
7
will
integral value.
2k belongs to minus 8.4 minus 1? How much, man?
Minus 9.
8.4 minus 1.
7.
Where will k belong to? What is minus 9.4 by 2?
4.7. Minus 4.7.
Minus 4.72. What about this one?
3.7.
Minus 4.7 to 3.7. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Where is minus 4.7? Here. What are the, how many integers I have lying in between? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the answer? 8. Number of integral values of k. How many integer values of k are there? 8 values. Same method, next one. Bolo. बच्चे लोग नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Where will left hand side belongs to? Where will left hand side belong to? Where will k cos x minus 3 sin x belongs to? Bolo. Minus.
Sir, infinity to 4.
Correct. Minus infinity to 4. Minus
Sir, plus
infinity to
infinity I
4.
got.
No, my mistake. Where will this belongs to? Minus root. So
Yes, sir, minus infinity to 4.
left hand side is lying in what interval? What's the maximum value? What is the maximum value? Under root of your k plus 1 must be less than maximum or greater than maximum?
Less than maximum.
Less than. So k plus 1 must be square on both sides. What does it gives you? What will cancel off? What will I get? K less than or equal to 4. So you are going to the left of 4 or right of 4? Left of 4 or right of 4? Where will K belong to?
Sir, one JL41 boy is there in
Yes,
our
sir. Some
class.
L41 person is here, sir. Shoaib Abdullah.
Allah sir.
ほどにも聞かんわい。お前はもう死んでいる。何？もうあたくびできぜ。
I logged meeting, he cannot enter. What man?
Sir,
Yes, listening. Tell me.
sir, in that question you should not take the minimum value also, sir. You can't take that minimum value is smaller than k plus 1.
मॉड्यूलस में है ना, अगर माइनस आया तो भी क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? स्क्वायर रूट. Once it happens for maximum value, it will happen for every value.
Okay, sir.
Finished one. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Look here. Simple problem. देखेंगे कोई आंसर बोलेगा क्या?
No solution.
So no
Why?
solutions.
No solution, sir.
Why?
Sir, because the
Sin to
maximum
x
and
equals
minimum.
Sine both
Equal
side
to
2,
6.
we will get sine 2a is equals to 6.
Yes, sir.
Super, very good. Multiply by 2 क्या आएगा?
2x is 6.
What's the left hand side?
Sine 2x.
Right hand side.
6.
इसका घर कहाँ पे है?
Minus 1 to 1.
Can something lying in minus 1 to 1 be equal to 6?
Never.
No, never. No, two different. अलग अलग. Not same. Try to catch up the difference. Hello. When is AB 1?
Equal to 1 by b.
Hello.
Equals 1 by
Both.
Or एक possibility. एक लॉजिक है इसमें. एक सेकंड. When A4 B1 by 4, then also AB is 1. But can sin or cos be 4, 5, 6, 7? No, because sin x maximum value 1, sin y maximum value 1, cos x maximum value 1, cos y maximum value 1. Can something like this happen here? Hello? Cos x into sin y is equal to 1. This is 7. This is 1 by 7. Then also product is 1. But something like this, is this possible?
No.
Answer is
No,
no.
sir.
So hence, this is the only possibility. अब answer बोलो. Much बोलना.
The two ordered pairs.
No. Simple. Draw sine graph 0 to 3 pi. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is sine graph. Draw cosine graph. Zero, pi by 2, pi, 2 pi. This is 3 pi. Tell me where all it is 1? When is cos x 1?
Pi by 2,
Cos x 1,
0,
0.
0. Then,
3 pi.
oi, 2 pi man. Cos x 1, 0 and 2 pi. When is sin x 1? Sorry, sin y. When is sin y 1? Bolo man.
5 by 2 and 3 by 2.
Pi by 2 and? So how many ordered pairs I have? 0, pi by 2. Or 0, 3 pi by 2. Next, 2 pi, 3 pi by 2. Or 2 pi, pi by 2. 2 pi, 3 pi by 2. How many ordered pairs? 4. Another possibility. Check for this.
Three ordered pairs.
Hello, second one. When is cos x minus 1? Bolo.
Pi comma 3 pi.
When is sin y minus 1?
3 pi by 2.
3 pi by 2.
What are the possibilities?
Pi comma 3
Pi.
pi by 2. 3 pi comma
3 pi. 3 pi. How many?
3.
Total.
Total 6.
Sir,
बोलो सुन रहा हूँ
Ordered pair means anything like 0 pi by 0 comma pi by 2, 0 comma 3 pi by 2.
Pardon me?
Ordered pair is anything like x comma y. We can
Yeah.
substitute. Okay, sir.
He has given no x and y.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes, listening.
I think I made one mistake, sir. This y equal to 5 pi by 2, no, sir.
Y
This
equal to?
sin y equal to 1, no, sir. This sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, no, sir.
Cos x1, sin y1, cos x1 for 0 and 2 pi, sin y1 for 5 by 2. What? Oh, sorry, 5 pi by 2.
5 pi by 2.
Sorry. 2 pi plus 5 by 2. Small problem, but Zabardast logic. I am not posting any assignments on this. You complete the remnants of earlier posted exercises. I will post fresh ones tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Tomorrow.